Hello kids, welcome to my new video. First we're going to know the color's name. Olive green color, brown color, orange color, purple color, blue color, red color and yellow color. Now let's learn the alphabet. A for apple, B for ball, C for cat and numbers counting 1, 2, 3. First A. We're going to draw the A. What is kids? This is A. Now put the color. Red color. A. A for apple. A for apple. Next kids, we're going to draw the B. This is B. What is kids? This is B. Now we're going to put the color. This is purple color. B. B for ball. B for ball. Next kids, C. We're going to draw the C. C. Now we're going to put the color. This is orange color. C for cat. C for cat. Now we draw the number 1. Now put the color. Pink color. What is kids? This is number 1. Next, 2. Now draw the 2. What is kids? This is 2. Now put the color. This is sky blue color. This is 2. Next, 3. Draw the 3. What is kids? This is 3. Now put the color. This is light green color. Number 3. Is what we learn? We learn A for apple, B for ball, C for cat. Number 1, number 2 and number 3. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please subscribe. Bye bye.